morning, dear student. Welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Nawala. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area Nawala. Student, today I discuss the remaining part of the area of sectors of the examples and some questions of exercise 16a. Here you see I solve the problem. Question is example 13, that is find the area of saddle region in the given figure. Figure is this. It is the form of a square which side is 14 cm. It is given its side is 14 cm and given that the distance between here is 3 and there is also 3. Then your question, what is the area of this saddle region? That means area of a square subtract the area of the whole semicircle and it is also in a square. Then it is the remaining part of the shaded region. So first find what is the side of or what is the radius of this semicircle. I suppose that it is the semicircle and radius is A. So it is A, it is also A, and it is the diameter of semicircle, so it is 2A. So if radius of the semicircle is A, so it is 3 plus A plus 2A plus A plus 3 is equal to 14. That is 6 plus 4A is equal to 14. That means 4A is equal to 8. So A is equal to 2. That means radius of this semicircle is 2. Now your question, what is the area of saddle region? That means area of saddle region is equal to area of a square minus area of 4 semicircle and plus area of a square. So I write here area of a square is 14 square minus 4 into half into pi r square plus the side of this square is 2a because it is formed on the diameter of the semicircle. This square is formed on the diameter of the semicircle and diameter is 2a and a is 2, so diameter is equal to 4. That means side of the square is 4, so it is 4 into 4. Then 14 square, that is 196 minus 4 into 2 into 4, 8 into 3, then you get here 25.12 plus 16, add it, you get 41.12 and subtract, then you get 15.88 centimeter square. It is the area of saddle region. Now see question number 20 of the examples. ABC is right angle triangle. AB is equal to 8 cm, AC is equal to 6 cm, and a circle is inside of the circle, that is in circle touches the side at point here, here and there. You have to find the radius of this circle. Dear student, it is 8 cm, it is 6 cm. So first we find BC, and BC is equal to under root AB square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Then AB square, that is 8 square, and AC square, that is 6 square. Then here is 64 and plus 36, you get here 100, and after that it is 10 cm. So it is the 10 cm. Now your question is, what is the area of this triangle? So area of this triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. It is the area of triangle, and it is equal to the sum of the area of these three triangles, such that this is triangle is AOB. Its area is 1 by 2 into base is 8, base is 8, and height is R plus 1 by 2 into now AOC, base is 6 and height is R, and third area of BOC, then it is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height is R. Dear student, here is three triangle. One is AOB, next is AOC, and third is BOC. Then all three triangle you add, then you get area of triangle ABC. So here is 2 cancel, then you get here 24 is equal to here 4R plus here you cancel, that is 3R, here you cancel, that is 5r. So after that here you get 24, it is 12r. So r is equal to 24 by 2, sorry 24 by 12, then here is 2, that is 2 centimeter. So you can solve very easy method. Then it is a triangle and here in the center, then this triangle divided into 3 triangles, like as here is A, sorry here is B and A, here is C, then one triangle is AOB, other is AOC and third is BOC. Then sum of these 3 triangles is equal to ABC. Then easy way you can find the radius of this circle. Question number 3 of exercise 16a. Question is that the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 45 cm. Then find the circumference of the circle. Here is condition given that circumference of circle exceeds its diameter by 45. I write from question, my question, that circumference is equal to 45 more than diameter. What is circumference? That is 2 pi r is equal to diameter is equal to 2r plus 45. Then next step it is 2 pi r minus 2r is equal to 45. From these two terms we take common 2r, that is pi minus 1 is equal to 45. Then it is 2r, value of pi is 22 by 7 minus 1, that is 45. After that it is 2r, it is 22 minus 7 by 7. Then here is 2r into 15 by 7 is equal to 45. What is 2r? 2r is equal to 45 into 7 by 15. 3 that is 21. So what is r? That is 21 by 2. Now your question, find the circumference of the circle. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, then 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2. Cancel it and you get 66 cm. Only here that circumference is more than the diameter of 45. Then use the diameter at 2r because circumference in the form of 2 pi r. And from this equation you can find the value of r. If you find the r, then substitute in the circumference, then you can get your solution. Now next question of exercise 16a, that is 5. A wire is bent in the form of equilateral triangle. That means a wire is the form of an equilateral triangle, that is ABC, and here all 3 parts are equal. And triangle encloses an area of 121 root 3, 121 root 3 meter square, and the same wire is bent in the form of the circle. Same wire forms the circle. Then your question is, find the area of circle formed by this wire. Dear student, when the wire in the form of triangle and now bent in the form of circle, then it is clear the circumference of the circle is equal to the perimeter of the triangle. So how you find the perimeter of the triangle? It is 3 into side, but side is not given. Given you have area. So first you find what is the side of this triangle. Then area is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square is equal to 121 root 3 cm square. From this formula you can find the sides, that a square is equal to 121 root 3 into 4 by root 3. This root 3 cancel, then you get here 484 cm square. And what is the value of a? It is equal to under root 484 cm square, that is 22 cm. It is 22 cm, then it is clear what is the perimeter. Your question is circumference of circle is equal to perimeter of triangle. So what is circumference? It is 2 pi r, and what is perimeter? 3 into side. Then here is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 3 into 22. So what is the value of r? Then r is equal to 3 into 22 by 2 into 22, 2 into 22 and into 7. Then this 22 is cancelled, that is 21 by 2. So with the help of this formula, circumference of circle is equal to the perimeter of the triangle. You can find the radius of the circle. If you find the radius, then your question find the area of the circle enclosed by this. So area is equal to area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Then it is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So you can see 7 3 and 2 11 then here is 11 into 3 into 21 by 2 cm square. It is the area of the circle enclosed by this one. So here is the only condition that the wire is bent in the other part, then it is clear that the circumference of the circle is always equal to the perimeter of the triangle. Now see question number 7, that is the sum of the radii of two circles is 7 cm and the difference of the circumference is 8 cm. Their condition is given there are two circles whose sum of radius is given 7 cm and the difference of their circumference is 8 cm. Then your question is what is the circumferences of the this circle? Dear student, first condition is given that sum of the radius is 7. I suppose here first circle radius is r and second circle is small r. Then r plus r is equal to 7. It is the first equation. Next equation, the difference between their circumference is 8. So 2 pi r minus 2 pi r is equal to 8. Take 2 pi as a common, that is r minus r, that is 8. So what is r minus r? That is 4. 8 by 2 pi cancel, that is 4 by pi, and this 22 by 7 goes here, that is 28 by 22, that is 14 by 11. So r minus r is equal to 14 by 11. It is second equation. First equation is r plus r 7 and second equation is r minus r is 14 by 11. Now by elimination method BID, what you get when you add, then r plus r 2r, this r cancel, then 7 plus 14 by 11. Now here is 11, 7 is 77 plus 14, that is 91 by 11. Then what is the r? Here the r is multiplied by 2, then it is 91 by 22. It is the capital R. And similarly, what is the small r? R plus r is 7, then what is the small r? It is equal to 7 minus capital R. So it is 7 minus value of capital R is 91 by 2. I saw that take LCM, that is 22. Here is 154 minus 91, that is 63 by 22 cm. So we find with the help of these two equations, the capital R is 91 by 22 and the small r is 63 by 22 7 cm. 63 by 22 cm. Now you question what is the circumference of the circle. So first circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So I write 2 into 22 by 7 into 91 by 22. Because capital R is given 91 by 22, you can see it and you get here 26 cm. Similarly, what is the second circumference? That is 2 into pi into r, then 2 into 22 by 7, and a small r is given 63 by 22. I write here 63 by 22, 22 cancel, 7 9 and 9 2 18 cm. So circumference of first circle is 26 cm and circumference of second circle is 18 cm. It is your solution with the help of these two equations. Now see here question number 11. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 cm. The angle of the sector is 150 degree. Find the length of the arc and the area of sector. Dear student, here is given radius is equal to 21 cm and theta at the central angle is given 150 degree. Your question is what is the length of arc? That is L is equal to r. So first I write the formula L is equal to 2 pi r theta by 360. Then here is 2 pi 22 by 7 r 21 theta 150 and cancel here 7 3 are 21 and 0 cancel and 12 3 are 36 and 5 3 are 15. After that here is 12 with 3 cancel 4 jar and 2 by 11 and 2 to cancel. That means 11 5 is 55 cm. It is the length of the arc. After that, if you find the length of arc, then find the area of the sector. So what is the area of the sector? The area of sector is equal to, if length of arc is given, arc is given, then area of sector is 1 by 2 into L into R, and the length of arc is given 55 cm. So area of sector is equal to 1 by 2 into length of arc into radius. So 1 by 2 into 55 into 21, that is 1155 by 2. It is the answer of the area of the sector. So I solved up to 11 questions. So dear student, you try to solve up to 15 numbers of the exercise 16A. If any problem you have, then ask to me at my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you, dear students.